How to accept message requests without replying on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen over here and then tap on message request. So here you'll be able to see all your message requests over here. Now, in order to accept the message request without replying, it's not possible on Messenger. You have to reply in order to accept the message request. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then tap on our Facebook Lite application over here. So make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the Messenger app icon over here at the top. And then tap on the gear icon. And then tap on message request. So here you can see the message request, so you just have to tap on that, and then here at the bottom you can see the option of accept or delete. So tap on accept and you'll be able to accept the message request without replying on Messenger. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.